So today I'm gonna be going on the Crown's Edge. Right behind me, it goes right over the ship. I'm so nervous, but I'm excited.
The Crown's Edge is located on deck 16, right outside the aft stairs. The course consists of a suspension bridge and varying platforms that will lead to another platform that will drop and send you ziplining 154 feet above the ocean.
Just make sure that you're wearing tennis shoes. So this is not included in your cruise. It actually costs $35, but we got it for $27, I believe, because it went on sale. So just make sure you're checking online before you get on, because things like this will go on sale.
And now here's a look at the full experience.
Oh my gosh, that was so much fun. I was so nervous to go, and then they were like, you should go first, so I ended up going first. And then they're gonna suit you up with all the harness stuff. You're gonna watch a little safety video, and then they're just gonna take you up. You get to go twice. I didn't realize that. But at first, you have the camera, so they have the camera for your first time, and then the second one, they just take it off. I'm so excited to see the video, though. I haven't seen it yet. So cool, definitely try it. My dad wouldn't go on it because he's afraid of heights, I guess, but it's really cool. I didn't know how scared I would be, though, but I just kept going. You can't go backwards. So you have to keep going, they said, or they have to shove you along and keep going. But it's so cool. I didn't know if I was gonna feel like I was on the ocean or not, but when I looked down, once you get to one of those, that's when you really feel oh no, when you look down, you're on the ocean. It's crazy. But then they drop you. I didn't expect it. You just stand there, and so I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And he's like, oh, what's your room number? Oh, what's this? Oh, what's that? And then finally it just drops. I was like, but it was so cool. And you get to go twice, so that's fun. I'm guessing you don't have to if you ask to, though, but I just went twice because I figured why not. But it's so cool, so definitely check this one out.